Hey there, nursing students. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: nursing assignment help. As a nursing student myself in the past, I know how challenging it can be to juggle your coursework and clinical rotation. That's why I want to share some valuable insights and resources to help you breeze through your nursing assignments and secure those top grades. Before we dive into the tips and resources, let's talk about why nursing assignments are so important. Nursing assignments not only test your theoretical knowledge, but also prepare you for real-world scenarios. They enhance your critical thinking, research skills, and ability to apply nursing concepts to different clinical situations. Mastering these assignments is crucial for your overall academic success and future nursing career. To excel in your nursing assignments, you need to have a solid understanding of the different branches of nursing. From community health nursing to medical surgical nursing, each branch requires unique skills and knowledge. In this video, we will explore the fundamentals of each branch and provide you with expert tips to tackle assignments in these areas. Sometimes, despite our best efforts, we may still struggle with our nursing assignments. That's where Nursing Assignment Help Services come to the rescue. In this segment, we will discuss the benefits of seeking professional assistance and provide recommendations for reliable nursing assignment help providers. You'll be surprised how much just a little support can boost your grades and confidence. In this section, I will share my top tips for excelling in your nursing assignments. From effective time management to conducting thorough research and structuring your assignments, these tips have proven to be game changers for many nursing students. So get your pen and paper ready, because you won't want to miss out on these invaluable insights. Now, let's dive into the treasure trove of resources available to you for nursing assignment help. We will explore online platforms, academic databases, and support groups specifically designed to assist nursing students with their assignments. These resources will not only help you with your current assignments, but also build your knowledge and skills for future academic endeavors. To inspire you and show you that success is possible, we've invited a few nursing students who have overcome their assignment struggles and achieved remarkable grades. They will share their personal experiences, study techniques, and the resources they use to conquer their nursing assignments. Get ready to be motivated and pick up some valuable tips along the way. Nursing assignments can be tough, but with the right guidance and resources, you can conquer them. In this video, we discussed the importance of nursing assignments, explored the different branches of nursing, and shared tips and resources to help you excel in your assignments. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Reach out for support, utilize the available resources, and keep pushing forward. You've got this.